So welcome back to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon30. Okay, as usual, let's try to bash the market. Okay, so we will be looking into the Bitcoin and gold market. If you get an opportunity, we'll try to bash it together. All right, guys. So far, so good, guys. Hope everyone is doing good, guys. So let me quickly send the link to the group as well, so all the people in the group can check it out, right? And they can come in the live session, right? So yep, yeah. So just again, okay, guys. Hope everyone is doing good, guys. Hope you are not bashed off today also. Okay, I'm back. Now we will try to make some bucks together, right? So nothing much to worry. Okay. So yep, so far so good, guys. So yeah, welcome everyone. Welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon with 30. All right. So I'm sharing the link to the group. All right. So that people in the group can check it out. If you guys have not joined my group, you can join the group. Okay, that is a free of cost, right? And you will get an opportunity to learn a little bit better. You will get access to some of the information. In fact, very less, but you will get information like where I'm right, like you get the information on live session, right? So on Bitcoin, let's check it out. Okay, so that was a plenty of profit for us, right? So recently we can see that there is a big drop in the market. Okay, a big drop in the market is aggressive towards the downside. Okay. So what's happening is on 4 hours time frame we can see that the price is breaking out on the downside, right? Price have been breaking out, where is it, from this level especially, right? From this level we can see the price have broken out towards the downside, right? So if you have short from here, well and good, right? But if you have not short, nothing much to worry. All right, so you'll get a chance to print dollars together, right, guys? So welcome, guys. Welcome everyone to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon230. All right, so welcome everyone. Yep, hope everyone's doing good. Okay, if you don't want to miss the video, the live session, the setup on Bitcoin and the gold from Monday to Friday, you keep subscribing the channel. All right, so you don't miss it. Every day we come on live session and we trade it together. All right, so we make dollars together. All right, so yep, so far so good, guys. So on the we have crossed below the demand zone on 4 hours trend on 4 hours, right? So yep, it had broken down. Maybe it will have some small retest and go down all the way. Maybe. Okay. So if there is a fake breakout, it might go up as well. All right. So let's go back on 15 minutes and check it out clearly what's happening around, right? So yep. On this trend, we can see the price have broken down, right? Broken down below this levels, right? So let me try drawing these things, right? So yep. Okay, we have broken down from here. Hi, Aravindana. Okay, welcome, bro. Welcome. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. All right, so that you don't miss my video live setup from Monday to Friday, right? Okay, so this is the thing that we can see. So if you check this way, price is coming all the way down in the zone, right? In this zone, maybe $60,494. Hi, Amindu, Marish, hi, bro. Do giveaway. Alright, soon. Alright, Aminula. Hi, bro. Hi. I'm from Bhutan, bro. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. Alright, so that you don't miss video, my setup from Monday to Friday. Alright. So this is what we can see, okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, whereby the price have broken down below these levels, right? So it needs to have some retest and come back all the way towards $68,484, right? If it happens to feel it, then price might go up, right? So most probably to get a bullish zone, like once more, the price have to break above these levels, right? These levels are total of bullish, right? So now it's getting bearish a little bit, right? It's a Bitcoin mining country for you all, right? So maybe this way, right? So come back all the way up over here and drop down. should be one setup, right? So price needs to go up over here. All right, Nepal. Okay, Nepal. All right, India से हूँ. India से कौन है? India से love है. Okay, okay, Manish. Manish, welcome back. Welcome back. Hope everyone's doing good. All right. So we know that price needs to retest in the zone, and we know for now the price needs to go back to these levels, right? The two levels we know for now. Okay, if it gets bearish, if it needs to go bearish, you go back, retest at this level, and get rejection and come all the way down, right? Or price have to go directly down, okay, in this level. All right, so this level and this level, the price will be going far. All right, so this is what we can check it out on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so if you check from, I'm from Afghanistan. That's good to know, right, guys? That's good to know. Okay, welcome, bro. Welcome, welcome. So this level is important for the Bitcoin in this level, all right? So for now, this is level whereby Bitcoin needs to approach, right? So if it happens to break below this one, price can go down and go up. And this is on 15 minutes, right? So let's go back on 5 minutes and check it out for the scalping session. All right. So scalping, people like scalping. They need a boom, right? Good to know, bro. Manish, Himachal. Good to know that. Nepal, Aminullah, Nepal. Nice. Nice, guys, nice. If you guys are trading for a first time, manage your risks well, right? So that you don't get bashed off, right? So right now we can see there is a formation of, from a little bit formation of a bull flag on this levels, maybe, right? And maybe this level should be checked once more, right? So when we will buy it, okay? So buy zone will get activated once we pass through above this levels, right? So most probably this levels we will look into to buy, okay, and go all the way up, right? So this will be the level for us to buy it, okay, and our target will be uh, all the way up $70,592, right? So let's check it out, okay. So we will try to get a confirmation candles, all right, so that we are not bashed off, right? For now, what's Bitcoin is forming is like something like this, right? Over here there was a trend, it broke down, got a small retest and went all the down, right? So a little bit of drop is left, okay, a little bit of drop is left, okay. Maybe you can directly expect the price to come around $68,685, right? So if you get a short setup, we'll try to execute that one as well. All right, so let's check on yep. So let me try deleting this one. All right. So just wait for a few minutes more. We observe it well, and we bash the market again, right? Like the usual things. Yep. So one, two, three, third times means it needs to drop a little bit lower. Okay, a little bit lower than this. So, but I cannot open a short position from this level because it's a little bit dropped already. Okay, we go for the only high potential trade, right? So that will be good for us, right? So you need to have some patience in the market, right, guys? Waiting is always better than getting in and getting bashed off, right? So just protect your capital as much as possible. Okay. So yep, let's protect it, right? But if we get a good setup, we never mind getting in, right? Okay. So most probably we see there is a levels. Okay. Yep, I'm from Afghanistan. I understand. Nice to meet you, all the people over here. All right. So I come on the live session from Monday to Friday. Okay. So most of the time in this zone, okay, 2 hours ish. Okay, that time you can catch me over and just uh, yep, catch me over and get the setup that I go for the trade. Right. Make your own analysis so that you won't get regret or like anything. Right. Because like I'm not a financial advisor for you all, okay, I don't have a license. In fact, I'm trying to help all the people, those who are struggling in the trading, okay, those who are new in the trading. All right, so yep, so far so cool, guys. So we need to get a bullish, we need to get out of this box, right? So most probably what it will do is go over here, play around the zone and move up. If it breaks out, then we will catch this move. Okay, small move, that is around 0.97, not bad for the scalping session, right, guys? If it get a rejection, then again the price have to come all the way down. So we have a level down over there. Okay, if it gets rejection and come down all the way 1% down from this levels, in fact, right? So this is on 1 minute time frame. Okay, so far so good, guys, so far so good. So most probably you wait the price to play around the zone, don't open a short or long in the zone, right? So wait for the price to play around the zone, maybe it will try to form one wings, okay, and retest on this level, and if it gets back, we'll short it to those levels. If it gets up, we will long it on the upper levels, right? So this is going to be our plan for now. Okay, this is going to be our plan. Let it form a beautiful structure for every one of us, right? So yep, so everyone can make dollars, right? So without setup, don't try to jump in and out. That will just lose you money, give you back a big kick, right, on your face, right? Then so yep, don't hurry for the trade. We just wait, all right, and when we get it, we'll just bash it off, right? So wait for the price. Either if it breaks out on upper zone, we shall buy it. Okay, if it gets lower, okay, more than there, that we have still opportunity on downside till $68,000, right? So that will be our plan setup for today, right, guys? So most probably this is filling up this gap. Okay, so yep, so 1 2, this was completely over there, and if there is a big drop, most probably this levels, right? So yep, so this levels around $68,800. Expect price to fall till that levels. Okay, but if the price happens to move up, then you might see a price pull back in the zone a bit, right? So pull back is going to be something like this, right? Till this levels, right? Till this levels, and get back to the zone once more. Yep, so let's see. Anyways, let it form a structure, beautiful structure for everyone. Rookie traders, hi, welcome bro, welcome bro. Let's bash it off again once more, right, guys? So don't rush for the trade yet. Okay, we wait for the perfect move and we get in, right? That will be beautiful for everyone else, right? So yep. Okay, so these two levels we need to reach it out. Okay, so maybe the price will try to play inside this box. Okay, try to form one trend in the zone. Okay, in the 5 minutes time frame, maybe something like this, get rejection and come down all the way, right? So if there is a structure forming downside, we will just short it. If there is a structure, we just buy above these levels and we move all the way just a little bit upper side, right? And we move all the way to the zone, right? And come back maybe. So that will be shown on later parts, right? So yep, so above this level we can buy it till this zone around. We have a 0.88 percentage on upper zone, and if it forms a structure, beautiful structure on the downside, we'll try to short it. Okay, so if it gets breakout towards the downside, then we short it below this levels. Okay, after this beautiful structure is formed. Okay, and we try to short it on the zone, and our target will be around how much? Almost 0.89, almost 88%. So both ways it have a same profit lines. Okay, so whichever direction it goes, we just execute that one. All right, nothing much to worry. We'll be just bashing off all the time, like similar, like all other days, right? So yep, hope everyone's doing good. Rookie trader, you're doing good, right? Making some dollars, printing some dollars these days, right? Yep, so we just wait for the confirmation, right? A bit more, and we'll plan execute the trade, okay, accordingly. Don't rush for the trade, just wait for the plan to come in your zone, okay, and we execute accordingly, all right, so that you won't get bashed off, right? So yep, this is one time, two time, three times, right? So three times drop, one time, 1 2 3. All right, 1 2. So one more time to drop once more. All right, the drop is incomplete. Okay, so but when it will come, we'll just check it out, right, the structures, and we'll plan accordingly. All right, the drop is yet incomplete on the Bitcoin for now. Okay, so let's plan. And if it happens to go up continuously up from this levels, then again it will go to the bullish side. Okay, but now we can see a good drop from the morning, right? Chart scope, hi bro, hello, welcome. Assalamu alaikum. Khan bro, Khan crypto official brother, how are you? All good bro? क्या हाल है भाई? सब कुछ ठीक ही है ब्रो, सब कुछ ठीक ही चल रहा है। अभी वेट कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। तो सर अब मिल गया तो हम लोग डॉलर प्रिंट कर लेंगे फिर, ठीक है। So nothing much to worry, right? So wait for the right move and we just print the dollars, right? So that will be beautiful for everyone. So if we happen to break above this level, we will try to go for the long. Okay, if there is a formation of structure on the shorter side in this level, something like this, and come down, get rejection and come down from this level, we short it till this next level, right? So we just wait for on this move, right? So yeah, so we have identified two spots for now. So this spots and this spots, right? So whichever direction it flows, we need to continue getting the targets on our spots, right? So there is a possibility the price will come to this levels and this level, which level it will move faster. We'll just check it out through the structures, right? So what software do you use to stream? It is Streamlab Pro. I'm poor at this technology things. In fact, I'm good at trading view, the tradings, right? Technical analysis, right? But I'm poor at these things, right? But this is Streamlab completely, right? So yep. खान भाई आज मैंने पोर्ट्रेट किया तो फोर में से दो विन टू लॉस हो गया तो टू लॉस हो गया तो two loss shouldn't be equivalent to the two win, you should understand, which means if it's equivalent or if you're running into loss, two loss two win means aggressively you should be on the win side, right? So otherwise you need to check on your ratio. Okay, so if your ratio is not good, then you will be in loss for now. All right, if your ratio target ratio is already good, if you have planned well, then you should be in profit even after getting two loss two win, right? So you should be in the profits, right? It's Khan, that's for you, Khan. Okay, so bro, BTC go on long. Okay, Altaf not yet. Okay, let's see on the structures. Okay, because there is no formation of structure on the long side yet. All right, and if we get in structure, we'll try to execute and just bash it off, right? So just wait, have patience, right? So we have equivalent equivalent target on both long and the short side. Okay, for now. All right, so it needs to have some pullback. That time we will just get it off this levels, right? So for the retest, and over here we have on downside. Let's see if it continues to drops down, then we shall sell from this levels. Okay, after the breakouts. Okay, then we go all the way down, right? So simple for us. So if it goes down, if it forms structure and goes down, we will go down with the BT move, and if it moves up, we need to go up all the way on the upper side with the BT, right? So something like that. Okay, nothing much to worry. So whichever direction it flows, just we will flow with that one. So nothing much to worry. Okay, so yep, we just wait for some times and we plan the setup. Later on you will make dollars. So waiting period is more, but while waiting we will be learning from each other, right? Like Khan, he have been asked, he have been giving some information, right? Like two trade loss, something like that discussion will be going on, so you won't be bored, right? So guys, so yep. So don't short or long in the zone for now. Okay, wait for the confirmation, we will plan accordingly. All right, so nothing much to worry. Okay, so you won't miss to trade. Even if you miss, nothing is to be worried. All right, so it's better to wait than getting into the random trades. So what I do is I wait for the perfect structure and I plan this trade setup. So almost 80% you will be winning in the zone, right? If there is no fake out, you should be winning all the time. All right, guys. So that's how I'm planning for you all. Okay. Hope that is helpful for everyone. Okay. So people are enjoying it. In fact, all right. Hope everyone's doing good, huh, guys. Khan, thank you. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Rookie trader. Okay, thank you. I want to stream my gameplay. Oh, you what kind of game do you play, Rookie? Is it ML? PUBG, ML, what is it? Rookie Trader. I think it's always good to play like on the stream, okay? While playing, you try to improve your profile also, right? So you try to get friends around and you just try to play with them, right? So I think it's good, right, for the gamers also. Okay, so I don't know much about the channels and these things. I'm just over here to give you all the information. So most of the time, give a small so that we won't get bashed. Rejection will short all the way down, right? So you will have a short position from these levels only. Okay, don't enter short for now. The price have not decided yet. Okay, you just wait and you just see how we do, right? So, yep. All right, guys. Hope that was clear for you, every one of you, right? So if you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, so that you won't miss the video session, the live session set up on Bitcoin and gold from Monday to Friday sessions, right? So let's check it on gold as well, okay? So if you are new over here, say hi, okay, and say where are you from, okay, so that we can. So we have been yesterday. This was a plan on gold, okay. What I said to everyone was like, if you happen to break below this one, you are going all the shots down, right? So we are coming down all the shots, okay, all the way down, right? In this zone on gold, what we can do, what we can check it out is right. So on this zone similar thing is happening to the gold also. Let me quickly delete this one. All right, those are interested in gold, right? So yeah, rookie trader g katavi g katavi, what is it? Rookie. All right, so what we see on gold is, yep, something like this. So come down, okay, come down a bit on this level. So on gold also similar thing is happening and you just focus on over here, right? If the price happens to move above these levels, you just buy, okay, and you will quickly catch above moves. All right, the scalping session on above side, okay, till this zone, okay, 1.2% you will get in profit. But if it happens to get rejection once more, you are going to short it in the zone. All right, so let it form a perfect structure for you all so that you won't get, don't hurry for the trade right now. All right, so maybe if it breaks down again, a small confirmation will be there. And again, if it breaks down, then you plan for the short, right? So you'll get all the way down. Okay. So let it form the complete structure. Right now, the price is in the middle, right? So it's trying to form one structure for you all. Okay. So if it is coming down directly from here, you just miss it. All right. So nothing is going to be, you won't get any losses. So don't short over here. If I am there, I won't be shorting from this zone. I'll be waiting for the price to recheck this level once more, and getting back will be a good one structure for me to short it, right? So I never short in the random places, right? It needs to be a correct structure for me, all right, so that I don't get squeezed off, right? So even if you short, if the price happens to go up in this levels to retest once more, then you will be bashed off, right? So that's the plan. Okay. So yep. So just wait in the zone, let it play around in the zone till over here. If it breaks out, buy in above zone. If it gets a rejection from here, you'll get one structure, beautiful structure. Maybe the price can go till over here and try to jump up also. Okay. So accordingly, we will plan for the long or short setups, right? In this zone, though it's breaking down from these levels, I'm not shorting it. Sometimes the price happens to play around and just move up and come down, right? So, yep, your SL will be gone. So in this zone, I cannot long or short, right? So I just wait for the beautiful confirmation and from the above side, right? And I shall plan my setups, right? So if it happens to break up, you just go for the buy position. But if it comes down, I am not shorting because it have come a little bit downways, right? It's moving in a sideways a bit, so let it get out of the sideways box a bit, right? So yep, on a BTC is trying to come down, let it come down, form one structure once more, okay? So beautiful structure should be there, right? And if it gets rejection from this level or come to retest this level or just come down, right? Anything can happen. Just wait for the structure to be formed. Okay, so after we get the right point, then we are just going to execute the trade and just get boom, right? So that's our plan for today, right, guys? So hope that is clear for everyone, right? So just wait for a confirmation. Don't hurry for the trade, okay? So if you hurry, you'll get a bashed off, right, on the short as well as on the long, right? So let it form the beautiful structure for you all, okay? So that we can plan one trade, beautiful trade for everyone, and just bashed off the market. All right. So gold is over here. I'm not shorting it yet. All right. When I short it, I will let you know, all right? Because anytime the gold can form a inverted head and shoulder patterns over here and play around. Where is it? Mm-hmm. Yep. Anytime. Oh, sorry, bro. What's happening around? Yep. So anytime this will be a W pattern, anytime price can go up and form another sideways or go up over here. And if it gets a rejection, that's fine for me. So I can short it till the zone. Okay, but that will be a small move. So I don't suggest you all to take it 0.559 percentage only. All right. So if it comes back, but most probably what I think is price will retest the zone once more and coming back, you will get a good profit on the downside as well from the top. Okay, if there isn't breakout in the zone from the top, so that you get a good catch. Okay, small things I'm omitting it so that you won't get squeezed off, right? So yep, guys, so far so cool. So hope this is making you all understand what I plan for you all, the structures. Okay, so everything you need to understand it. It's a perfect entry point. You shouldn't wait for it, otherwise, so you'll get bashed off, right? So waiting period will be more on my side, right? So maybe waiting for 30 minutes or 1 hour, all right, or like more less than that. If you get an entry point, we'll just plan it, and your after the entry point, it should be around 5 to 10 minutes only for your profits to come in, right? If there's no sideways move, right? Yep, bro. Oh, have to learn a lot more. Uh-huh. All right, doper. Bum. Right. If you guys are watching me for the first time, doper, don't forget to subscribe it. All right, so that you don't miss it from the Monday to Friday live session, right? Doper. Yep. Let it form the beautiful structures, and we plan it accordingly, right? So we just wait. Those who have been following me for a long time, they understand my structures and everything, points and how I operate, right? So it is easier for you all. So keep subscribing it. You understand how I operate it, right? And it will be beautiful for every one of you, right? So next time you come over, see my structure, analyze it. If it's helping you, just take it, right? So if it's not helping you, just omit it, right? So that's the thing, right? So yep. Okay, so something like that is going to happen in the market, so just wait for the confirmations. All right, so anytime if you short it in the zone, anytime the price will go up and try to form one trend over here and retest the zone, you will be bashed off with your shots as well. Okay, you try to plan long in this zone. If the price happens to come down directly, you will be bashed off. So just wait for the confirmation and beautiful structure to be formed, and you plan the trade, you get a good profits together, right? Plan for 1 or 2 trade only in a day and make a good profit rather than jumping for the 4 to 5 trades and just trying to make losses, right? We just wait for the good confirmations and we just plan it, right? Bro, ain't even profitable. Uh-huh. Ain't even profitable. Oh, doper. So far so cool, guys. All right. So far so cool, guys. So those who are the gold lovers, yep, gold lovers, just wait for the confirmation on the gold side as well. Okay, so for now the gold is on total sideways zone, right? So over here we have a demand on the trend, right? And it got back from this demand. There is a little bit of accumulation. You expect the price to jump up, but take the liquidation first and jump up maybe, right? So if it happens to break above this level, we just buy it. If it comes get rejection and come down for the liquidation, we take it all the way till the zone, right, on the lower part. So equal opportunity on both the gold and Bitcoin, right? So for the Bitcoin also, if it drops down, then you'll get a same target as pumping up. So don't hurry and get inside the trade for now, right? Let it play around a bit, okay? And we'll plan for the setup, right? So just wait for the perfect move, okay? That should be good enough for everyone, right? So rather than jumping in and out without any sense, copying others, right? So just have some knowledge what's happening around the structures to be formed, right? And I think it's going to help you all around, right? Yep. So just wait. Don't plan anything in the zone. It will be risky for you all, right? So we know the price needs to go block down all the way towards the $68,600, right? And another thing is we know the price needs to go back for the retest towards the $70,393 as well. But whichever side it breaks out, we will take that one and go along, right? And that will be beautiful profit for every one of you, right? Those who are watching me from the beginning, you should be getting what I mean, right? If you are new, I'm trying to help you all out to understand what I am doing over here. If you're beginners especially, it will be very helpful for every one of you, right? Yep. Aha. So far so cool, guys. Just wait for the confirmation. Okay. So those who can't wait just don't have a patience, right? They cannot make a good money in the market, right? So they jump in and out and they just keep losing it, right? So just wait for one confirmation, and sometimes I even wait for a big things, like long time for one trade, okay? And the execution parts is very short. That makes me feel okay. All right. So it's always spend lots of time on the market to go for one trade, and execution part you take it fast, right? And it won't give you much bench rather than jumping in and just waiting for a market to move your direction, right? I'm still stuck in the cycle of breaking even, make a 1K with one trade loss, 800 in a four trade, make a 1K loss, 900 make 1K, lose 1.3K. Rookie traders, rookie trader, if you have been following me from Monday to Friday, Monday to this day, Thursday, right? So you should be making good profits, right? So every day we are taking a single trade, one trade, but good enough, more than 100%, right? So that's making us good. Your risk management, your fund management seems to be okay. I'm still stuck in the cycle of breaking even. Make 1K with one trade loss, 800 in a four trades. All right, make a 1K lose, 900 make 1K lose, 1.3K. I'm confused, rookie trader. Come on, explain me in a better way. Govin, hi bro, hi boss. Mr. Amit, hello bro, welcome bro. Welcome, salute to all of you. Right, just wait for the confirmation and we plan the trade and we just make some dollars together. Govin and Amit, as usual. Mr. Khan, yep, all the time. Bang bang. Just don't hurry, okay? Just wait for the confirmation. Let it form a beautiful structure. Then accordingly we plan it, right? Just don't for hurry, okay? Rookie, I'll be following you. Good, rookie trader. I know you have been there from a few weeks earlier, right? I saw you around. Those people are chatting over here, and those who have subscribed, they'll get to know me better, right? So yeah. And one thing, when you guys are chatting over here, I can completely remember you all, and right. So if you got a problem over there, so you can text me on my number, okay? If I can help you all out, I'm always there, right? All right. Govind, boss, send your WhatsApp number. The number over there, you just text me over there. Um, Whenever I'm free, I'll just reply you. If you have problem, let me understand your structures, everything. Okay, what's happening around. As for I will give my 101% for you all. If you guys are giving your 100%, I think you should be a good trader in coming few months or weeks, right? But if you are not understanding what I mean, and if you guys are omitting all the things that I'm saying to you all, then you keep losing it. Right now also we are making some profits, right, on trading, like waiting, we are making profits all the time, right? So if you are like just omitting it, you try to keep going with your last things, right? So that shouldn't be helping all the time, right? So yep. Just wait for the right moment and just jump in and get the profits, right? So don't jump in and out like That is a gambling thing, guys. Trading things, you should have a proper setup. So when you lose money, one thing is over trading, right? Over trading and oversizing is two things, right? And one thing is jumping in and out all the time without proper setup. So only these three things you try to figure it out. I think you should be a good trader in coming few days, right? Designer Hub, hello Dragon and fellow traders. Hey, Designer Hub, welcome back. Good to see you around again. Yep, I'm late today. No problem. We have been waiting for you all, right? And meanwhile, waiting. So everyone, I was talking with everyone else, right? Trying to explain them the structure. hmm And we are waiting perfectly. Okay, you are at the right time. You are never late. You are never late. Those who are, those who comes, they gets. Those who waits, they gets. And those who are panic, those who are, don't have patience, they lose all the time. Should I take a long side trade now? Not yet, Amit. We need to have some few confirmations so that you won't get bashed off. You wait for my confirmation. After that, you take it, you'll get good profits if there is no fake outs, right? So mainly I'm focusing on the trend analysis with the breakout strategy. Okay, the combined one. All right. So I think weekdays you should be able to work it out, right? And weekends it is like a little bit difficult, like, right? The weekends we get bashed off because like lots of chaos is working on, right? We always try to convert the noise into the clear things. Okay, hi, I can see someone texting it. Is that Mr. Govin? Okay, hi, bye. Alto. Okay, all right, you can join the group also, the Telegram group. I have a link in the description box, you can join over there. All right. Some people, recently I saw people asking for a box. Don't ask me for a box, okay? I can give you a strategy, anything. Don't get a help of box. If you are a true man, if you are a good trader, if you want if you want to be a good trader, you just listen to me carefully and try to print dollars with me. That's a true man. Come on, that's a true trader. So, all right, boss, your setup is very simple and perfect. Thank you so much, Govind. So I just wait for the perfect setup and just move in, right? So I try to help you all out with a simple strategy rather than going with a complicated. In fact, I try to draw so many things on my charts. So that might be confusing you all, right? Spider waves. So some people even says that my strategy is like spider waves. All drawing all things on those charts, right? And the good thing about I just wanted to share over here. Two people texted me and on the Monday, right? We got a good pump, almost 3% pump in a single trade, and it was like a huge profits, right? And they just texted me, bro, are you an insider trader? It was shocking, in fact. All right. So, yep, hope everyone's doing good. So just wait for the good confirmation, okay? And let it form a beautiful structure in the zone. So we will plan accordingly, all right? Nothing much to worry, okay? Nothing much to worry. All right, you get a good profit. You just need to have patience. All right. Okay, spider web strategy. Yep, designer hub all the time. All right, spider web strategy. Yep. So simple, and I think it should be effective. So almost when I checked back my strategy, it worked almost out of 100 trade. It worked for me 80 times. All right, 80 times. So I'm showing you all over here. Otherwise, I won't be showing over here, right? So it doesn't work, right? So yeah, let's wait for the good confirmation. Okay, after we get the setup, we get in and rest. We leave it to the god or leave it to the market, whatever it wants to do with the proper stop loss and the targets, right? Some people trade without stop loss. That is very risky. Okay, don't do that one. People are suggesting to trade without stop loss. That's not very good, right? So one day when you get profit, you will get a good profit. When you are get lost, you are going to wipe out your accounts, right? Maybe short trade laga dia target here 68,050. Sorry, 69,050. We're going to all the way to $68,648, but we need to get confirmation, Mr. Khan. So usually maybe you have some analysis. I don't want to comment over there, but until and unless there is no setup, I don't trade. Okay, so anytime, anytime price can play around in the zone and wipe you out. All right, give a fake breakout, you'll be shut off with this one. You'll get a better opportunity, right, guys? Don't hurry, just wait for the confirmations to be formed, right? So if it goes down directly, well and good, okay? But if it is breaking you around, then you are going to get bashed off. Until and unless there is no good setup, I'm not going to trade. That's me, okay? Because whatever I give you all on the setup is I do take myself as well. All right, so that's going to be my setup, okay? So if it comes down directly, well, let it go. All right, I don't mind. All right, but it need to give me a proper structures, exactly what I wanted. Then only I go for the setup. That's me. All right. So you just wait, okay, and see. Let's see how it goes. Right. Never mind, even if it drops or goes up, but it needs to give us a proper structure so that we will be able to get profits. Okay, खान वेट करो यार. अभी कुछ भी हो सकता है ये साइड में. मार्केट अभी $70,347 तक भी जा सकता है, तो वेट करो. अभी प्रॉपर सेटअप नहीं मिला है. If you are following me, okay, if you have set up, then you can go around after research, okay, I don't mind. बॉस आप ट्रेडिंग कोई कोर्स से सीखा है कुछ से सीखे? बॉस ये सेटअप बॉस आप ट्रेडिंग का कोई कोर्स से सीखे या खुद से सीखे? ओ हम कोर्स लिए oh, sorry, just a second. Okay, so let me explain this one also. The Govind, Govind, I got a course also, but I couldn't get anything on that course. Okay, but main thing is like experience in the trading makes you a proper traders, right? The pro traders. Okay, so what I did was all on myself, worked on myself all the time. Okay, trying to make one step better than the yesterday's. Okay, today also I try to make myself one step better than yesterday. All right, so all the way myself. All right, so आजकल कुछ भी हो सकता है, right, in the market. So like strategy, sometimes the trend analysis will stop working, right? Sometimes the breakout strategy will stop working. Okay, so it works all the way. So every time you have to keep learning in this direction. In this season these things will happen, so everything you should be getting experience in the trading. All right, so one time learning your setup for 100 times, come back to the market, you get bashed off, kicked off, and you'll be again in loss, right? So if you need to have a little bit experience as well. Only the setups will not work, okay? Only the setup doesn't work. You need to have a good experience in the market as well. So fund management, risk management, everything is included over there. All right. So charts you can learn within a 1 week also. If you are a good learner, you can do ditto. Even you can mark up in your brains like charts. This like this within 1 week. It's good enough. But learning discipline, risk management, everything, getting emotional control, it will take you sometimes, right? Bridge test, bridge, what is it? Bridge, let me call you Mr. B, Mrs. B. Hey, hi, bro. Hi, welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon Boo 30. All right. So we come on a live session from Monday to Friday. All right, and we try to make some dollars together on the live. All right, so those who are interested, those who are following me, they keep printing the dollars and they go back, they start doing on themselves and get bashed off and come again on me. Okay, so have a good risk management. Hi, thank you, because I'm learning from you, I'm following you every day. Wow, is it? So I see you all only today. So anyways, hope that is helpful for you all, right? So I'm happy. Mrs. B, all right, where are you from? It's Breedgate. All right. It's Breedgate. All right. There's lots of things. 9360 sort of long things that I have. I just get my eyes. All right. So if you have subscribed it, you get my notification all the time in the live. If you are not getting if you don't have subscription, like you just go on the Telegram group and you just join over there, you will get a notification over there also in the Telegram. All right, I have a link in the description box. You just go over there and just check it out, right, and join over there. I think it should be good enough, right? From South Africa. Oh, welcome, bro. Welcome. Let me call you B. Okay. Anyways, Mrs. B. Good to know that. Good to know that. From South Africa. Waka waka. Hey, hey. Okay. So let it form structure, then we plan it. All right. Accordingly. Just wait for the confirmations. All right. I think you should be able to make good profits today as well. Okay. So 3 days continuously we have been printing a good money, right? Green zone. All right. So today becomes 4. All right, if we make a profits. Hey, I'm from SA2 and we call you Stacy. All right, Jonathan, welcome, bro. Morning, guys. I'm done for the day. I got 300 pips from the liquidity grab on the gold, then short tip from 44,000 pips. Whoa, good to know that, Jonathan. Very smart enough. All right, today is very smart enough. All right, all the way. Yep. Okay, have a good risk management. I think it should be okay. I think. All right. If you are making profits already, I think it's good to go. Good to like have a rest, right? But just watch it over here, just have conversations and just have fun. Jonathan, learn and have fun. The main motive of group is to have fun. All right, and learn. Of course earn, right? So this is the main motive of the group. Okay, guys. Hope everyone will be enjoying learning, right? Trading. Let's not try to complicate the trading in such a big, what to say now, confusion way, right? Let's try to make it clean as possible. Okay, so take it as a simple, not that complicated. This is all your mind. The more you make complicated, the more complicated it will be, the trading things, right? So just be simple and just take it in a simple way, right? Yeah, had my SL at 44,060. All right, Jonathan. Rick's is key. Bang bang. Jonathan is making good money these days, right? Buying some gifts for the wife today, Jonathan. Enjoying having some parties around. Where is Luckily? I don't see his dragon today. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. Just wait for the confirmation. Let it make a structure, beautiful structure. Then you get a good moves, right, guys? So nothing much to worry. All right. We'll get it. We'll bash it off again. All right. All right. All right. Luckily and Ziva, yeah, they're not here. I don't know. Maybe having some works around. Maybe Zivot is partying. Maybe Luckily is partying around, getting few bucks, right? Partying around. Yep. Let's wait, okay, guys. Just few minutes more. And I think it's trying to form a beautiful structure. I think it should be good enough, right? If it happens to get rejection from here, we will plan short all the way down to $68,600, right? And if it happens to break out, we will go all the way towards the $70,350 today. All right. So that's our plan. That's our plan. All right. I've shared my plan to you all. Okay. Let's see whether it gets correct or not. Not correct. If it is able to bring some money or not. Right. Correct or not is not decided. It's like we shouldn't go that way, right? Anyways, once I hit my daily profits, even if it's $1 or $2 trades, I put in a journal app, hits my daily goal, then I'm done. That way done. That's exactly what I do, Jonathan. Yeah. Okay, that's good. If you do that way, I think you are going to be a good trader in coming days. You are going to be a millionaire soon. All right. Mhm. I'll only stop over trading when I have $3 million in my mind. I will only stop over trading. That's not possible, isn't it? Hap? Over trading shouldn't be there, I guess. That's going to wipe out one day your account, whatever you make in years or 3 years or 4 years, right? So it's going to take some time, but in fact, go slow and steady, right? That's going to be beautiful for everyone else, right? Just a second, I just need to go washroom and I'll come back. All right. So meanwhile, the market is forming structure, nothing much to worry. All right. Keep keep chatting, guys. Designer Hop and John Tang. Okay, guys, I'm back. Hope you guys are not bored, all right, guys? Don't get bored, okay, guys? You should be. You shouldn't get bored. If it's if you guys are feeling bored, then you should be. You're printing some dollars. Anyways, okay, so I'm talking about the meme coins and these things, right? Whenever you are go get bored, you give up totally, then the market starts moving, right? That happens. That's on meme coins, right? Let's see. What leverage do you suggest? For scalping, I go for a little bit big leverage, about 50x only, but my fund is small, like $400 and $300 only. All right, so you go for only 1 to 2% of your fund. All right, so that should be okay. So just manage your leverage according to how much percentage you are using it. If your fund is so small, then maybe percentage will be also bigger, right? And yep, I always tell people to open 3 trading accounts: one for daily withdrawals, one for the monthly, and one for retirement. Wow, good financial plans, right? Designer Hub. No risks, no Ferrari. Wow. I only overtrade leverage with daily deposit accounts. Mainly account is trader with discipline. Wow. Okay, that also works. if you guys are planning well. If you guys are making already profit, there is no comments. All right. If you are losing it, you try to change your ways. All right. So that should be plan, right? Leverage above 50x, I go for the scalping because my trade is going to last only for 5 to 10 minutes. That doesn't give me much fear. All right. If I lose, I lose quickly, around 2 to 3%, 0.3 to 0.2%. Okay. If I get profit, my stop loss to target ratio will be 1 to 3 or 1 to 2, above that one only. Okay? So if I lose it small. When I win double or triple. All right. Anyways, the leverage is one thing, is a good, also it's a risk also, right? So if you don't know how to manage your fund, so according to your fund, you should be managing the things around Mrs. B, right? Let it form a structure. Most probably it should be getting rejected from this level, or passing through this level is going to give you a big bull move. Okay, so we are waiting for the structure to be formed. All right, so this is on 1 minute time frames, BTC, right, guys? So why we are targeting this thing is that this is a pullback zone. All right, this is an incomplete drop on Bitcoin. All right, we need to reach to these two zones. Okay, whichever direction it breaks, we are just going for that. Yeah, I use 1 is to 500 some days, depending on market condition. I'll use, oh, what is that? 1 is to 1000 leverage. All right, I told you exactly from here the price should be going up. Right, no short, no long in the zone. So most probably now on the gold, if it happens to break above this level, you just go for a scalping quickly. You will get 1.3 percentage. If it comes down, short gets rejection and come down, we will short it and go for the quick scalping on downside. All right, we just wait a bit. I entered sell side 71,925 with 10 lot. My target $69,200. Did I go straight or not? ATV, I'm not financial advisor, but in fact, I will try to help you out with my knowledge. All right, whatever I have. So you opened your 71,000, where 71,900. That's far away all up. Maybe you can have your stop loss around this zone, around $69,750 or $54. If the price happens to pump up from this level, it is going to be bullish till this $70,300. All right. But if it happens to get rejection from here, it will drop all the way down $68,600. Right. That's going to be planned. No closing, just really a stop loss towards the downside. I guess that should be good enough. hmm All right. So all the people over here are traders. Okay. All right. Printing box. Okay. ATV. How do I pronounce? Let me call you Mr. A. Where are you from, Mr. A? Where are you from? Where do you belongs from? From Bihar. Bihar, okay. All right. Raj. Raj Singh, welcome, bro. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the right. Raj Singh, 79,900 buy side. 79,900. That's big enough, guys. 79,000 is all the way up. You mean 69,000? Not a buying side. That will be our target. You're confused? All right. Let me mark this way. Downside target on the zone. Just wait for the market to move your direction. Yep. If you get above that one, it's going to blast. You're correct. You're getting me, Raj. Smart enough. All right. You're smart enough. Buying zone will be opening from above this level, but it will be the move will be slow till this level. If it gets breakout from this level, a move is going to be very fast till this levels. You understand me clearly? You understand me? If it gets rejection from here, we will just short it till this levels all the way down. Right. Yep. Just wait for the confirmation. After that, we plan accordingly. Oh, okay, okay. Because like we are doing for now on our scalping, so maybe differs a little bit. Valid explanation you request. We have a 2 points for now. Bitcoin is to reach around $68,000 and $70,000 for now. If it gets rejection from here, it should be coming down all the way. Okay. So on a 5 minutes time frame, what we can see, you see the price have already broken down from this levels, right? On 5 minutes time frame, right? From this trend, we can see, okay. But as such, it needs to give a one retest on the zone. We are taking advantage of that one. And if it happens to break above this level, the Bitcoin is going all the way towards 74,000 after breaking it $72,500. If it happens to break above this levels, right, Bitcoin is going all the way upward towards the $74,000, right? If it happens to break above $70,423, right? So that will prove that the breakout towards downside is like fake out, right? But if it gets rejection from here, it will come all the way below $68,000. All right, so that's going to be our plan. Okay, so if it happen to get rejection from here, and if it drops down, then maybe you can expect price till $67,867, right? Okay, so that can be expected in this way. All right, most probably I expect price to go back for the reversal from this zone. Okay, but we never know. We just wait for the good structure to be formed and we plan accordingly. Then we bash the market. All right, so simple for us. Okay, nothing much complicated. So let it form a beautiful structure. Okay, if it gets rejection from here and forms a beautiful structure, we are going to plan short till this $68,700, right? And if it happens to break above, we will go for the long till this zone. And if it breaks out above this level also, we can hold. But if you're scalping, I will take 0.9% of profit. I'm done for 100%, right? And I'll just get exited from that level, right? So something like that. All right, so simple for us. So let it form one beautiful structures, okay? And we plan accordingly. All right. So you can plan for a buy zone above this level also sometimes, but it gets rejection from this level and come down all the way. Okay. But if you are buying from this zone, you should book some profits in this zone, 0.22 percentage only. You're missing that one. Okay. But if because like from this level there is high chances that price gets rejection and come all the way down, right? But if it passed through, well and good for you all right, because sometimes it can be a fake breakout on upper zone and come all the way. So I gave you a buying position from the upper level so that you don't get squeezed on the Bitcoin, right? And the moves will be very fast from this level. All right. So getting back from these levels, okay. All right, guys. So just understand that way. Simple. Try to understand. Don't try to complicate so much, right? With all the charts and all those things, just plan accordingly. All right. A beautiful structure needs to be formed in the zone, right? W pattern formed. So from this strong, this level, if it gets back from this level and breaks it above, we can go for a long. Okay, but if it gets rejection and comes below this one, it will be a little bit risky. Okay, because that will be a short. All right, that will be a short, but I'm not taking short from this levels. I'm letting it to form a beautiful structure in this zone so that I take all the way down. All right. When is the best time to trade XRP? Oh, break get BTC. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe it. All right, so that you don't miss my video from Monday to Friday. Okay, so I come on a live session every day, 2 hours each. Okay, so, and we print money. All right, Saturday and Sunday, 4 to 5 hours. All right. So most probably Saturday and Sunday we are trading less because we all most of the time there will be fake breakouts and you try to get squeezed, right? So we try to avoid it. In fact, we will be coming live session discussion. There will be discussion, and you see the fake moves on Bitcoin. So all the way. 1, 2, 3. If you take this way, price will come a little bit down for now. If you take this 1, 2, 3, just resistance chances. But I'm not going to short over here because we need to wait for the upper level resistance to be checked once. I need to wait. All right. For a small trader, it's a good setup. All right, those who knows how to get in quick and get out quick. All right, but we take a little bit long setups, the big targets. All right, even if it happens to move directly, I won't take this trade. All right, you wait for the perfect move, big move that will give you a big profit. Getting small trade will chop your things out and you will be out all the way to your liquidity zone. All right. The zone, the zone to be watched. Two sides to be watched for now. All right, guys. Let's see. Okay. Incomplete moves, structures. We're focusing on 1 minute time frame now. This is on 5 minutes time frame. Hey, my love, you stole my heart. Just wait, okay? No setup yet. We need to get few confirmation on the structure. After that, we plan our setup. Then you get up big moves, right? Big moves. You like the big moves, big money. Hmm. Waiting period, guys. Waiting period. No rush period. If you plan to plan for a setup in this zone, you guys will be getting bashed off. You understand me, guys? Don't get bashed off. I don't want you all to get bashed off. Those who are watching me, following me, should make print some dollars. All right, dollars all the time. You like the dollars? You wait, have patience, follow me, follow my instruction carefully. If you try to follow your emotion, you will try to get a big loss, which I don't want you all to face that one. All right, I don't want you all to get into a big loss. You understand me, guys? I'm helping you all out. All right, you should be able to help yourself. If we happen to break above this 1 minute time frame is going to be bullish. If you happen to break above this one, you are going to be bullish on 5 minutes time frame, which means the the bullish level will last a little bit longer than 1 minute time frame. All right, in this zone, what you can see as price happens to make something like this, give a small breakout on 1 minute time frame. All right, so it's testing in these levels. 1 minute time frame. Got it, guys? If you happen to come below this one, you can plan for a short. Okay, for a short time, that is 1 minute, so your short zone should be very quick. Okay, but if it happens to get rejection and go up, then we go again in the sideways box and go up. All right, but I'm not taking this one because this is on 1 minute time frame, which I don't like. All right, so whenever there is a breakout on downside, short it a little bit downside so that you won't be squeezed, okay, on short side. All right, you understand me clearly, guys, if you are following the 1 minute quick one. Okay, but this profit taking zone should be very quick. All right, because it will just give you a fake move and move up and try to check on this levels once more, maybe, right? So that time it's going to give you all a bashed out, right? It should be very quick on 1 minute time frame. All right, you understand me? So most probably you can expect on 1 minute time frame, you can expect price to move around. Maybe this much, right? If you get set up from this level, your target will be 60,000. More time the Bitcoin takes in this zone, and if it breaks out, the more your profit will be because your entry point will be more on upper side, right? So anytime you have a chances to get bashed off from this zone, right? So you just wait, okay? If you want to follow my instructions, you'll get good profits, right? You understand me, guys? No fake breakdown, bro. Manoj, hi Manoj, welcome, bro, welcome. Welcome, Manoj. How are you, Manoj? Manoj, you doing good? No fake down, bro. No fake down, bro. Let's see. Anyways, all right. That's on 1 minute time frame. All right. If the price happens to break down, all right, because this is forming a liquidation zone, all right. W pattern. If this W pattern is formed or expected, break above this level, you are going to get good scalping till this level to this level. And if it happens to break above this level, also you are good to go for a good long, right? But if you even if you break above this level, you have one resistance in the zone. If you happen to get rejected, then it's a little bit risky. Okay, so I have three levels of trade for you all. One is moderate, one is confident, all right, and one is risky. All right, those what I showed you all around downside is a risky zone. All right, that's on 1 minute time frame. All right, so you're going long from this level will be your moderate trade, okay, because anytime the price can get rejection from here and come all the way down, right? So confident trade will building up from here. If you see a price breaking up above this level, reconfirming it, okay, you will get a good scalping and upper zone. Come on, guys, you are going to make up big dollars, right? Come on. All right, you get me? All right, guys. So you guys are ready to make dollars with me? Okay. All right. But if you are taking only a few dollars, if you see a, I mean like a small trade going from long till this level is also okay because 0.22 percentage, in fact, you are getting it right. But most probably what I suggest is I plan the long position from the upper zone so that it should be very quick for me. All right, I don't like waiting so long. Okay, I need a move like this. All right, and a big move. Okay, so I go for only a confident trade. All right, so that's me. First, I need to make dollars. I take only few trade in a day, one or two, max two. Okay, normally one trade. Okay, that should give me a profit. All right, if it gives me hassle, I happily go home and just sleep with my wife. That's all. Manage 1 hour time frame. Okay, in 1 hour time frame. All right. So whichever direction it moves, just breaks out. We'll plan for a setup and we get the profits all the time, like every day we do. All right. So I think it should be good enough for everyone. Okay, at least you get one trade, the potential trade. All right. So if the market wants to fake you around, then it's up to the market. But most probably it should be giving you all a good trade. Okay. After the confirmation only we try to enter into it, and yeah, that will be good dollars for everyone, right? 1 hour, Manoj, maybe 1 hour. Okay, that's also possible, Manoj. But we are looking into only 5 minutes for now because like we are focusing on scalping. All right. So the things get diverted, in fact. All right. For the different time zone. Then we will be entering into, if we start checking for 1 hour and 15 minutes, we start. Though in fact we can check it for the confirmations and like targets, right? Most probably I do like check up on 15 minutes for my targets. All right, and come back to 5 minutes and execute it. All right. If the market is clear, I go with the 1 minute also. Right. Those who want to take the moderate trade, you can open a long above breaking above this one until this level. You should be booking some profits. All right. Because anytime price has a high chances, if there is a fake breakout, then you have a high chances to reach down to $68,600, right? So we have two levels for now. Okay, either price have to reach towards the $70,300, right, or come back all the way down, get rejection from this level and come down all the way down towards the $68,600, right? So that is going to be our plan. Okay, so whichever direction it gives the breakout, we just take it and move with that way. All right. So most confident trade is going to come from this levels, right? But it should be very quick, right? It will be very quick, okay, after breaking above this levels, right? But till there, maybe the price will, why I'm not suggesting you all to take from this level is like it is going to play around a bit. Sometimes if it gets double rejection from here, then it was going to drop all the way down, right? So that's also possible. We cannot be definite in the market, so we just wait for the confirmation and whichever direction it goes, and if it confirms us, we just take that way. All right. So from this point, it will be decided which side, right? For this small W pattern, it will be getting bullish above these levels, right? For a small time frame. Okay, you understand me, guys? That's what I see in the market for now. All right. Okay. Narendra, hi Narendra. I'm a little bit late today. All right, you're at the right time. We haven't checked in out, right? For now, we have been waiting for some few confirmation the structure to be formed. I think you are going to make some dollars to get today also. Narendra, be happy. All right. Narendra, yesterday also you were there, right? Yeah. Yesterday I had some guests and like I had given you all the setup and I had to go because it was taking a little bit time, but at the evening like it bashed off and we got a good profits, right? But in fact I have shared you all on the group, right? The profits and the screenshots. Yep. All right, Manoj. All right, Narendra. All right. Hope that is clear enough for everyone else, right? So just wait for the confirmation few structures to be formed, then we shall go for the plan. All right. Very good analysis, Dragon Bro. Thank you, Manoj. Manoj, thank you. Hope I'm trying my best to help you all out. Okay, if you guys want to learn, I think it's a good place to learn for you all. Okay, if you are rigid with your own strategy and the plan, that might not help my strategy coming over here because you'll get confused and you'll try to run into the losses. All right, so just focus on one thing, just check it out, do the analysis and try it on your own. That will be beautiful, or otherwise take what I take. All right, I think it should be good enough to make few dollars for you all right, according to your fund. Okay, so if you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe it. All right, so that you can catch me from Monday to Friday doing live setup. All right, we wait more and plan quick setups, get profits, go home, sleep. Sleep tight. Yep. Rahul, wrong analysis. Bitcoin only downside, bro. Good. You're late, so you didn't understand our analysis. I'm sorry for you, Rahul. We are never on the long side for now, neither on the short side. All right. We have been waiting for this few structure to be formed. That's just a screen that the setup I have given you all. Okay, if it happens to break out on upper zone. Okay, if you have been listening me from the beginning, you should be able to understand what I mean, right? If you are coming over poking up in the middle and you are not getting it, you just ask me what it is, right? So if you are interested, I'll be able to help you all out, right? We are never on the long side, never on the short side. Whichever direction Bitcoin flows, we just follow that one. That's all, right? You understand me? Who knows if it breaks out on the upper zone, it will be going bullish. Can be possible. Anything you cannot predict in the market. All right. Anything. It can happen, anything. All right. So you cannot predict the price is going up or down. You can make analysis and wait for the confirmation. After the confirmation, you might be able to understand like the market will be now moving 90% towards our side, right? After the breakouts, after the confirmation. Over here, you cannot long nor short, okay? You short, price happens to squeeze you out all the way up, okay? So just wait for the confirmation, whichever direction it flows, just take it that way. You'll be making good money, all right? Rahul, all right? If you can understand me, I think it will be good for you all. If you're not, uh, if you're not understanding me, it's up to you, okay? So you you're not understanding me. You try to chase the losses, right? We try to chase the profits. That's all. I'm not backbiting you, but in fact, let's see. Anyways, okay. Anything can happen in the market. You don't over predict it. All right. We just take whichever direction it moves. All right. What's the view for the short term as a panic situation goes globally? Will the market crash? Oh, you mean for the not very on the scalping, but it's for a long term bid, right? Not very short. What you mean is like short term. What you think? I don't know. I also don't know. Market turns out anytime. The news comes out anytime. Anytime. I also don't know. All right. But what I feel is I just look into the charts. Okay. What I feel is for now, what we are going on a 4 hours time frame. You are talking about the 4 hours time frame, so I wanted to show you all these things, right? So hope that will be helpful for everyone else, right? Yeah. Anytime market can do anything, right? You wake up in one morning, the market will be rushing on all the way on the upper side. Okay, so right now, if you check on the long time frame, okay, uh, for now the market is on the trend, okay. We are below this average, right? If the market happens to break above $70,502, that is our target for today, okay, and that is a resistance for Bitcoin for now currently. All right, so if we are able to break above this level, then I can say the price will go pump till $74,901, right? And more than that, if it happens to break above that one also, maybe you can see us price around $77,476. So we right now the Bitcoin is at very critical levels. Okay, we can see the price have broken down from the small time frame trend, right? And it broke all the down way. Okay, so for now the market needs to go back to retest this level and get rejection to come down all the way down. So if it gets rejection all the way from here and come down cross below this $69,000, then market is going to turn out into a bearish mode. Okay, for now what you see is market is in the middle, right? You see now the price is in middle. If it happens to break out from this level average line and it confirms it, then $677,000 is coming soon. All right, that I can predict. All right, and if it happens to get rejection from this level $70,177, then you can see a good bearish move till 65,000 to $64,000. Okay, on 4 hours time frame. That way I can help you all out, right? So that is what's happening around. Okay, so okay guys, so that's the thing. Okay, those who are panic seller, panic buyer, so you shot all the way from this level and you get squeezed, and don't ask come to me and ask me, bro, how I should I get out of this, when should I get out of this point. All right, without structure you try to get in, then you try to get help, you never listen to me, right guys? All right, I'm selling BTC, my target 62,000. Rahul, don't buying anyone please. Oh, I don't know, without structure why do you guys try to enter into it? I don't know. If there is a confirmation, you can sell it. If you have sell from the upper zone, you can hold it. That's good enough. But selling at this point, I don't feel anything is correct, right? Coming down, Bitcoin coming down below this level, you might like to sell it around $69,204. If it breaks down downside, you might like to sell it till $68,674. Price breaking up, breaking all the resistance, you're still holding for the short side, and it doesn't make sense, right? Raj, buy, enter, please, stop loss batao. 69,450 is 69,450 stop loss. This will be a little bit risky trade, okay guys? Okay, risky trade. If you want to go for a confident trade, try to plan from here, but you can enter from here also. But what the price can do is sometimes it comes over here and play around, and it takes time. Okay, for me the scalping session I start from this level only. Okay, this level I start the scalping session. If it breaks out an upper zone, okay, then like it should be giving something like this, coming down, reconfirm it, and go up. Quick go up is going to give you all this target. All right, if you are buying from this zone, your stop loss should be around $68,200, right? $200, which is, yep. So from this below this one, you are going to get a bearish zone, or else you wait for the price to make another structure, so you get another one, like what to say now, the wings, okay, the structure, so that you will be able to place your stop loss over there. All right, because like for now in this zone, if you happen to break below this zone around $69,245 to $200, then only you can plan for the short and go to lower level with this structure. Okay, if it comes down and break down. Okay, for now you see the price moving all the way up, you still keep shorting it, your stop loss is gone, you will get liquidated, home, go home, and you fight with your wife, family problem, everything. Hey luckily, welcome back. Oh, all right, luckily. It's okay. Just focus on the driving for now. It's okay, I think. You have a time for now. Just go home safe. Right. No hard work. Market is going downside. Get sell BTC. Simple. No hard work. Hmm. I don't know why people lose money, because they are just one-sided. Whichever side it flows, just follow that one. I think that will help you all around. Right. So just don't focus on one thing. Market breaking all the resistance, you're still holding for the short, that doesn't work. If there is a sell side, I'll give you all, don't worry. Okay, if it gets break down all the way, get rejection, oh shit, my knees. Oh, if it gets down, breaks below this one, if there is formation of structure on the downside, I'll give you all. Okay, it's not that I won't give you all on the downside also. Just be open. Oh, my legs becoming, it's like I'm not moving for a while and my legs is numb. My leg is numb, guys. Oh shit, bro. Oh, I don't know, Rahul. Be safe. All the best. Okay. It's not that I'm not giving you all on sell side. Okay. If I see this structure, I'll give you all. We have sell side as well, both side. whichever direction it flows. All right, my legs like my legs like you numb, bro. Come on, give me some pinch. Shit, bro. Chori chori. Okay, this will be our first resistance to be cleared. Okay, after clearing this one, you have one support in this zone. All right, chupke chupke. But get ready, okay, guys. Anytime if there is a big move, we'll just catch that one. All right, guys. Oh, sorry, man. These kids. All right, let it confirm it. This is level of resistance that we need to clear off, okay, guys. This is a level of resistance. One first resistance. All right, and we have another resistance in the zone. Price can come down from this level, but if it gets clear off, you're going moving up in the upper zone. All right, and if the price happens to come down, you see that right now this is the only short zone you have in the zone. All right. Okay, if you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, so that you don't miss my setup, live setup from Monday to Friday, all right. And you can come over and watch it and take the trade with me, all right. Let it clear off this resistance. We come to this confidence zone, all right. Over here, if you open, it will take time to go up and down, so I don't like waiting, all right. So clearing off these levels, I shall open a long setup and go all the way up for the retest. Okay, coming down below this level, I can short it. All right, for now, the structures. Okay, those who have sold over here, they might be thinking now price should be going down. So you're already in loss of 0.32 percentage. If you are if you're with the 100x, 32 percentage already lost, your stop loss gone. What time frame are you on? Monday to Friday? This zone only, from Monday to Friday in this zone only, but on uh, Saturday and Sunday I come a little bit earlier after lunch. Okay, it's around 7 p.m. in my zone. All right, so I come around 12:30 to 1 p.m. right, and I stay around 5 to 6 hours on the live stream Sunday. All right, so this is 7 p.m. I start from 6 p.m. 6:30 to 5:30 to 6 p.m. on the weekdays, right? So you can. Mike, hi, Mike John, hello. Hello, if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right? So you don't regret it later on. Not able to catch me. Some people text me, right? They have got my number, but I don't know how. They text me, bro, when are you coming on live? So, so if you have subscribed it, you will get the notification. You just go with the flow, right? Okay, my short zone will be from this level, my long zone from this level. All right, let it play around a bit because it the momentum that you have in this zone and this zone. Okay, whenever it comes in this zone, if short, this zone will be very fast, and then I like that one. All right, in this way, it will try to move up slowly, come down, give hope for the sailors. I don't know. Anything can happen, right? Mike, hey Mike, where are you from? Welcome, bro. Welcome, 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 bro. All right, let's go. I'm omitting this part because like it's very slow. Okay, guys. If you want to take this moderate rate, it's up to you. Okay, you keep your stop loss below this one. Okay, and play with this one because it's trying. If it gets rejection, anytime price can come down also. But you should be good at managing the trades. All right, get me, guys. Get me right. Anytime price can come to this zone. All right, and again at the entry only. That will be become entry only. If I don't trade, take this trade. All right. Mhm, mhm. Breaking out, short first squeeze for you all. If it continuously breaks out on the upper zone, those who are interested in moderate trade, you can start planning for the long, right? But make sure you are not squeezed, okay? Anytime price can get rejection from here if the price happens to go up. Check those levels, right? But make sure you book some profits or else you wait for me to open from these levels, right? It's up to you. All right. But I shall plan my long setup from the upper zone only so that I'm getting good reversal and my trade is very fast. hmm Getting a little bit of bullish because like there is it's breaking out from the 5 minutes time frame. All right, so I shall be, or else what you can do is go with a small fund. Okay, keep your stop loss over here and hold. If you see the price coming down, you just cancel it. That will be okay. All right, or add some funds in above this level. All right. You got me clear, guys. Follow my instruction carefully, guys. All right, follow my instruction carefully. Okay, it's getting bullish. It's getting bullish for now. Okay, breaking out from this level will be beautiful bullish. Okay, so wink and upper side. Let's see. Okay, short zone plan from this levels. This red levels. Okay. In fact, get ready. All right. So I think the market is giving a beautiful structure for everyone. Get ready. Okay, either on long side or the from for the sell side. Okay, get ready. All right, ready everything, and you see a move, you just take it. All right. Mhm. If you are taking from this level, your stop loss is very big, guys, which it will be very big because price can come down to this level, fake it out on the short side and go back. All right, go back also. So your stop loss should be very big. Your stop loss should be very big. Okay, or if it breaks down completely downside, we will open a short position. All right. Okay, retest zone. Let's check it out. Okay, coming down. If it gets rejection from this level, we will plan long from this one only. Okay, because this is now retesting 1 2 3. Okay, 4 times it moves up, it's going to be a bullish retesting in the zone. Let's go back on 1 minute and time frame and check it out. One give one side give we got a wink candle. All right. Breaking out above this level, you can start buying it. Okay, then it will be a little bit confident because this I've given one breakout, that is wink. Okay, that will be second one. All right, we start planning long now. Okay, just wait and check it out. Let me delete this one, okay, guys, for you all, so it looks clean. For now, our short zone is so low, so you get a quick move towards the downside. Okay, breakout on the upper side, that will give confirmation on the bullish on the 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame. Okay, breaking out from the upper zone, it will be 5 minutes, so it will last long, a little bit long, right? So your short zone is a little bit low. Okay, your long side, it's going towards your long side for now. Your confident trade should be coming only from the upper zone. Okay, breaking out, that would be a good reversal. Okay, we're expecting reversal on a downtrend, which is very risky, in fact, short longing from here. So if you wanted to wait for confident, you try plan from above. All right. Chewy, chewy, chupke, chupke. Big bullish candle, guys. Manoj Loa official. Okay, Mike John's gone. Okay, let it clear this off. Wait for the confirmation, guys. Don't hurry for the trade. Wait. मेरा मन क्यों झुक जाए. Just observe it well, guys. Don't rush for the trade. You'll get a beautiful setup. You'll get a good profit. All right. Just don't rush for the trade. Either it's from on the long side or on short side. Okay, don't rush. All right, I'm giving you all the directions. You listen it carefully. All right, for the moderate trade, you can start your long from this one. But for a confident trade, you have to wait till the starting. You'll be missing that this one, but it will be so fast, 0.2 to 0.3 percentage, right? Those who want to take the profit over here, you can start longing 0.24 percentage, right? Why I'm not suggesting from here is anytime price can get rejected from here and come down also according to the structure it forms in these levels. All right, so structure, whatever structure, for example, if it comes down and go up, confirm it, then we buy in the zone, right? Yep. Or else anything can happen from this level also, come down all the way down. So those who are holding from this level, those who are buying from this level, you book some profits in the zone, and if you see the price again coming down, keep your SL to the entry, right? And if you see the price going up, you add some position, go along with that trade, okay, make some profits on upper zone, right? And you see the charts people getting squeezed again. Bro, don't lock side, only short side. I don't know what you're talking about. Those who are on long, you can have stop loss in the zone, right? Those who are taking risky trade, okay, this for the risky trade. Stop loss around 68,153 or $69,354. Someone is asking me if we long from this zone, what will be the TPs, right? Risky trader, but this will be a risky trade. For you all to get a confident trade, you need to wait for a confirmed breakout on upper zone. Then you get in, you're going all the way up. Was it Narendra who was asking me? Manoj, or not Manoj. I just missed that message. All right. Those who are longing from here, those who have no patience, you keep your stop loss around $69,374. If you get a rejection from here, okay. For now, it's breaking out from this zone. Okay, you shall wait for the price to break above this levels, right? And you see what will happen. Okay. So your stop loss around $68,370. Yep. And if it happens to come down below this now, the zone now, we will plan for a short. Okay. So most probably on the short side, what we will wait is confirm it. Okay. Get in the zone, confirm it, and come down. It will be a beautiful chart for us. Okay. From these levels. All right. Come down, get rejection, and you plant short over here. It will be beautiful. Okay. You got me right, guys. You got me well. Yep. Come down, get rejection from here, then you short it in the zone, then you will get a quick shot that is going to be now around 0.99 percentage. All right, so that will be a shot. Okay, so, but don't short when the price is coming down like this. Okay, so even if the price is going down, let it flow. All right, you follow my instruction carefully so you won't get bashed off, right? Like this, like this, like this means you short it. If it gets rejection from here and again rejection from here, it will be a long side only. All right, so that's the plan. All right, guys, whichever direction it flows, just take that way. Don't get rigid on one side. Okay, you got me, guys. So far, so clear. Rahul bro, don't long side, only short side. Who have longed it? Just wait for the confirmation. Those who have taken the risky trade, your stop loss should be below these levels. Okay? Because these levels will be checked out once more. Mhm. 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 So upper zone, we have a big bullish plan. It breaks up. I'm going to buy from this zone only. Mhm. Just don't get diverted in one-sided. Huh? Good mark, my word, downside. Don't over predict it, guys. Let it form a structure. Are you trading Bitcoin? Yep, James. Yep. If you guys are watching for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, so that you won't miss my video from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Rahul, good side. Yep, you're a good side, but you're not predicting, you're guessing it out. That will be gambling. Don't focus on that thing. Let it form structure. That is not advice. You don't require advice, in fact, right? Okay, James, welcome, welcome. If you guys are watching me from for the first time, where are you from, James? James, where are you from? Mm. Okay, Govin, I saw your message. I'll reply you later on. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Shorter side will be coming out from the zone only. Otherwise, you are still in a long side. Coming down from this level is going to be short. You understand me? Sydney. Wow, good to know that. That's Australia. James, welcome, welcome. Good to see you over here. Good to see you. All right. Good to see you. Okay. So we are waiting for the few confirmation and planning for the setups for now. Okay. So in this zone, the price is getting squeezed. All right. And what we do, the price happens to get rejection from here, go up and come down again, and below this level, we will plan short. Okay. And if it happens to go up, then it will be a long side only for those who are risky traders. And we plan long way all the way from this levels, right? That is our plan. All right. In the zone. Good to be here. All right. Ours are block China. What do you mean, Rao? I don't understand you now. Our are block China. Hmm. Oh, below China, you mean? I understand, Rao. India. Good, good, bro. Good, good, good enough. Mhm. Try forming structures. Mhm. Same over here, James. Good to meet you, right? Good to meet, good to meet you. One, two, three. Okay. Getting rejection from here, upper side will be long side again. Just wait, guys. No shot yet. Huh? Don't hurry for the shot. Don't get squeezed later on. All right. Just wait. Mhm. If it comes for shot. Mhm. 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 Okay. Good to be here. All right. All right. Which country born? Me. Rahul, me. You mean me? I'm from Bhutan, Bitcoin mining country. A Bitcoin getting mined over here. You hold it. All right. Let's go back on 1 minute time frame. All right. Don't short yet, huh, guys. It's okay even if it goes down, but price will come anytime to check in these levels. If it is not short, okay, getting rejected from short and coming down below will be a beautiful structure for you all to short. Then you are confirming it already. All right. You'll get squeezed, okay, again. Don't worry. Seller trapped, bro. Let's see. Let it form structure. All right. Let's see. Let it form structure. Because over here, if it comes directly down, it needs to clear this off. Then only it will be a good sale zone. But for now, anytime if you try to plan sale over here, anytime price will go up to this level. And getting rejection from here and breaking downside will be our short zone. All right. Ratching 7,900 buy side, 7,900 maybe after the confirmation. I cannot buy directly. If there is a structure on buy side, I will buy it. All right. If there is a structure, 67,000. Okay. If there is a structure, it's good for me to buy. For example, I look for the structure to buy in the zone, right? This time 1, 2, 3. Okay. If the price happens to go up, all right, get rejection from here once more. When go up, then it will be a good buy zone for me. I will plan to buy it from this level only. All right. Then I don't have to wait for all the up. Okay, that will be a good confirmation. All right, but if this faking out, if it is on sell side, you get a rejection from here, come down below this level, you just short in this level, you'll get a good shot on downside. All right, after the confirmation, either on the long side or downside. Okay, so after the confirmation only. Otherwise, again, you are getting squeeze it. You plan it early, you'll get squeeze it. Okay, what's going on? Looks bearish. Yeah, little bit on bearish side for now, but we are at the deciding point. Luckily, so we are waiting for a few confirmation to be formed. Okay, and we plan the setup. All right, accordingly. Yep, luckily. So if it goes directly down, no problem. Okay, let it flow. Just omit this one. All right, because this can be a trap also for your. We need to retest this level once more. If it gets rejection, well and good. You get plan for the side zone, sale zone from this level. Okay, but if you get a pullback and breakout and upper zone, big bullish. How's everyone today? Designer Hub was there, I just lost him around. And Jonathan English was also there because Jonathan was having a good profit today. He was so happy and he just, I think he want to take rest. Jonathan said that he want to take rest. And the reward is not there. All right, the reward is not there. The reward is not there. I guess Designer Hub was there. I saw a Khan also around. Oil going down. You're trading on oil also. Luckily, you trading on oil also. Do you trade on oil also? Jonathan happy? Yeah, he was still here. Just had to feed my dogs. Oh, all right, all right, all right. Design hub. Okay, coming down now. Bit coming down. Don't plan short yet, guys. If you want to get squeezed, it's up to you. But I don't see me planning. My structure is incomplete, so I don't plan it. All right. So now going up and coming down will be my short zone. Okay, it's coming down directly. Well and good. Well and good. If it comes directly, if it comes directly, break down, go up and come down, then I will short it. Okay, so that will be planned. If it comes directly, Hear me now, Draven? Draven, can you hear me now? Thank you so much for reminding me. That was helpful for me, right? Thank you so much. Okay, guys, get ready, huh, guys? Get ready. Get ready to long it. If it breaks upper side, just just little bit upper side. Guys, just get ready, huh? Guys, get ready. All right. If it breaks upper side, we just long on the upper side. All right. Just wait. Just wait. Don't rush. Let it be clear on upper side. Or if it comes down below now this level, you shot it, you'll get a good shot until this level. All right. So let it. I told you all right. So this structure need to be fulfilled. Why I didn't short it? I saw the price going all the way down, but I don't want to short while going down because like this need to be fulfilled. Now it's going down, breaking below this one, you will get a good short zone. All right, you will get a good short zone. Okay, but if the price happens to play around and it will play, go get rejection from this level, go up again, it will go sideways and plan for the long side. Okay, so that's how I'm not getting inside the trade. All right, for now. All right, those people who have short using a red candles downside, you get squeezed with this big move on the upper side. Okay, you will fade out and you just jump out. All right, so I don't want to give you all of this setup. All right, on the shorter side. Okay, now if it happens to come down all the way down below this level, you can short it with 100% confirmation and you will get a profit. That is okay, 100%. All right, 99%, let's see, 99%. Okay, you see price coming down and getting below this level, just short a little bit below, right, so that you don't get squeezed, then you can short it, right, so that will become a complete structure for everyone. All right, you see price dropping down, getting rejected from here, going up, that won't be good, right? So now you see the price moving up from this level, just long it. All right, now you don't have to wait for the upper zone. Okay, you don't have to wait for the upper zone. You see the price moving above this level, you should long it, then this will be played around and we go all the way long side. Okay, so that's going to be our plan, next plan. All right, so it will be changing a bit up and down. All right, when there is a move, so according to the structure it should be changing a little bit. All right, you see price coming down, breaking below, just a little bit below side, you just sell it. Okay, you get the profits. All right, you get rejection from here, go up, you long it, you'll get the profit on upper zone. All right, so whichever direction flows, just take it. All right, so structure is being completed now. All right, now structure is getting completed. Now you see the price going down, you sell it. Okay, the target towards the zone. All right, you got the rejection from here, no sale. In this level, you cannot buy, you cannot sell, huh, guys. You just be careful. All right, you just be careful, super careful. All right, you see price breaking down below this level, you just short it. You see price coming out from this zone just around this level, you just buy it, you will get a good profit. Okay, that's all. That's all. See the see the target carefully. Okay, luckily don't long bro, don't long side. I understand your setup. Okay, I understand your setup, but we have few things to be checked in, all right, before we get in, right? So okay, now you see price breaking down below this level, we just short it and go downside. Okay, all right, so your stop loss should be, if it's short over here, your stop loss should be around this zone. All right, so even if there is a smaller retest, smaller retest, you don't get squeezed. All right, no short yet, huh? You see price getting break down, then only you short it. Wait for the confirmation, don't get into trap again. All right, you see price getting downside, then only you sell it, otherwise you cannot sell in this zone. Follow my instruction carefully, you will get the profits. All right. Mhm. Okay, coming now. Downside. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Because it's going to be fast. All right. Get fast. If it breaks down. If it breaks down below this one, it's going to be very fast. And we like that one momentum move. All right. No shot in the zona. Getting out of this box. Then only shot it. All right. In this zone, you cannot shot. You'll be trapped again. Still trapping in sideways. Luckily, no sucker moves today. Not yet, not yet. We are always on the point now. We are almost on the point. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Hmm. No sucker move yet. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get ready, huh, guys, because this is going to be a little bit fast moves, I guess. You'll get a fast moves either on the short or on a long side. Okay, just watch the levels carefully. All right. So you should be giving your attention, full attention to these levels, right? I'm also getting ready with my buttons, right? I'll click it. All right, I'll click it. Mhm. 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 Follow my instruction carefully, guys, so you won't get squeezed. I don't want you all to get squeezed. Don't sell or buy in the zones. Just, just wait. All right, understand me? You see price getting above this level, you long it. You long around 70,000, $69,549. Okay, upper side, long it. Okay. Mhm. Okay, guys, let's go, guys, guys. Just one move. Okay, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys, let's go. Now is the right time. The stop loss should be below this average point. This my trend line around maybe around 69,391. 69,391. Okay, your stop loss over there. Okay, lovely, guys, lovely, super. This is what we are waiting for. Come on, guys. So I told you all, don't hurry, just don't panic. Okay, so right, guys, so move yourself to the entry. Okay, guys, super, guys, 65% within few minutes, right? So waiting takes time for us. Okay, and generating profit doesn't take time. All right, guys, Rahul, all the best. I told you all not to hurry it. All right, if you're not listening, I'm done. I don't know. All right. So the final target will be this one, around $70,350. All right. So yep, lovely, guys. Super, super, super. That is 64% for me. Lovely, guys. Super move. Lovely. Okay. Move your SL to entry and just let it flow now. All right. Move your SL to entry and just let it flow. All right. Your stop loss should be your entry. Like my entry is 69,466.4. All right. Lovely, guys. Super, 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 super. Lovely, beautiful, beautiful. I don't know. It's okay. We already got profit. Now our SL is at entry. Okay, for us, no problem. Because we are waiting for this move. Don't don't long you see and you get squeezed all the way. All right. That was beautiful, right? Beautiful move. All right. 0.4 percentage. Lovely, guys. Lovely, lovely. Superb, superb, lovely. So this is the resistance that we have. Okay, this is the resistance that we have around the zone. Okay, the stop loss is around this zone. All right. Lovely, guys. Lovely, lovely. Superb, superb. I don't know. He's just one-sided man. He get his SL off. I don't know why he's not listening. Even if it's come to our SL zone, no problem. No problem. We are this kind of trader. All right. If you guys need a setup like this, follow me. All right. Subscribe it. All right. So do whatever you like. If you need a group, click on the link in the description box. Join it. All right. It's up to you. All right. So this is the resistance level we have. If it happens to hold above this one, or sometimes price will be going in the zone. All right. You expect that one. All right. It may play around a bit, but most probably the target towards the upper side. Okay. If it happens to stay above this one. Okay. It will play around a bit. Okay, the shorter side becomes invalid for today. All right, we are on total on long side. All right, okay. R2 secured. I hope everyone in Dragon a boss man not playing. It's okay. We print all the time. Okay, we want to catch that big bullish move. That's all for me. I want the big bullish move. I don't take small trade. We just go for a big bullish move. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Wanna boom. All right. Now you can hold peacefully. All right. Let's see. Okay. Now coming down. Coming down. All right. You have your stop loss at entry. Just let it flow. All right. Just let it flow. Safe. Be safe. All right. Mm-hmm. 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 $69,466. Okay, okay. Okay, it's retesting another bump here. Let's see. Let's see, yeah, guys. Let's see. Because if we clear this one, then the price will go all the way out towards our target. Okay. If we break above this one, second chance for the buyers, those who have missed from the downside. That's all. All right. If it happens to break, come on, push it hard. All right, guys. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right. Oh, that was a beautiful move for us. Okay. Okay, coming. My wife's calling me for a dinner. Come on. Come on, move it, Bitcoin, move it, move it. No sound. You can't hear me. You can't hear me. I have offered to you about taxes, probably about 16 on Amazon. Mm, all right. Lovely, guys, lovely. Fine. Don't play around. Lovely, lovely. Now move your SL to the zone. Okay, guys. Now move your SL to a little bit upper side. Okay, maybe in the zone or around 69,624. 69,624. Understand me? 72% profit for me. Book some profit. Move your SL to entry and just let it flow. All right. So my stop loss around 69,629. Book some profit. Move your SL to entry and let it flow. 69,625. Right. Not 29. Even if it comes down, booked already one profit. SL at the entry. Rahul, book yourself an ambulance and today go home and sleep. Okay, always don't get one-sided, and guys, it's very risky on one-sided. Getting one-sided is very risky. Just whichever direction it breaks out, you just flow with that flow. I think you will get a good profits, I feel. All right. BT, move it, move your ass off. Lovely, guys. Anyways, that was a beautiful moves. Okay, we could catch it. All right, we could catch it. A beautiful move. That was beautiful. All right, how much we did it? 0.47 percentage. Okay, we did it that much. 0.447 percentage. You need to book some profit, move your asset to entry. Okay, and let it flow. All right, so that is how we trade. Okay, if you guys like it, you come on tomorrow also. We will be on the live stream all the time. All right, you catch me, keep subscribing it. All right, you catch me, make some dollars with Dragon. All right, all the time. Right, luckily. Luckily, I don't know. Rahul is a dumb boy. I don't know why he's acting weird. I'm trying to help him out. He's aggressively acting on his own way. Okay, so maybe he's a long holders. I don't know. We never. I don't know. All right. Okay. Okay. Now it's coming down. Right. You got a small pump. Got a small pump. The last hope for the coming down, going up will be this level and move up, or else it needs to come all the way. If it breaks below this one, it needs to come all the way down, right? So that will be the plan. All right. You listen to me, you will make profit. You do whatever you like, you'll get lost, right? Okay. Lots of loopholes. Thank you, Dragon. All right, all right. Just educate yourself on tax and tax. That's all you need to go do, brother. Luckily. All right. My SL to entry is gone. Okay, I'm out of the trade now. All right, I'm gone. All right, so this will be the last hope to move up. If it doesn't move, then it will come down. All right, so that will be the closing for today. All right, if you have not booked some profit in this zone, you will be in minimum profit in this zone. Okay, if you have listened to me, book some profit, move your SL to entry in the zone, and you are in good zone already. All right. Thank you, Designer Hub. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. All right, we caught one move today. So that was beautiful, around 0.47. Though we couldn't do all the way up, that was a beautiful profits. All right. So this move, I don't like waiting much. All right. This move was beautiful, anyways. So thank you so much, guys. Guys, I think I'll close over here. Okay. So one day, one trade, good profit. It's already good enough. That was a 72 percentage profit for me. So I'm happy. I'm done. All right. Yep, done. So maybe those who are holding, or if you want to open a long position again, you see price going up, maybe you can plan. Otherwise, you cannot plan. All right. Going up above these levels will be again bullish. Otherwise, getting it in this zone, again, it will try to play around, and one day again, it will try to rise it all the way up or towards my level 70,000. You just remember that one, or else it will goes all the down. You see, if you are early in the shot, this move will squeeze you out, right? Always wait for the perfect move. Okay, guys, see you all tomorrow. Okay, take care. Have a good time. If you have already made profits, don't trade. All right. So it depends. I told you all. Okay. Some people makes good profit in the zone. Some people they just watch it off. Some people make small profits, some makes very big profit. It's up to you. Okay. So if someone is making good profit in the zone, if you are not able to make profit, and it's something is need to be checked on yourself. All right. You see price moving up from this level, again you can long it and go, but I suggest you, if you have already made profits, you don't trade. All right, you don't trade, let it go. Tomorrow you'll get a good catch. Again, every day it's about the catch, right? On the scalping session, 5 to 10 minutes, hold it, enter it, get it, and just get lost from the trade, right? So that's the thing. Okay, so you can pay professional to help a financial planner. Oh, so many is going back up now. So let's see, even if it goes, no problem for me. All right, only one trade for me. Okay, no jump in and out. All right, make profits, book it. That's all right, if you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, and take care, guys. So don't rush for the trade, don't jump in and out, don't sell if there is no structure, don't buy if there is no structure. All right, so have a good time. Bye bye, take care, see you all tomorrow. All right, at the same time,